The definition of a verse is writing arranged with a metrical rhythm, typically having a rhyme. So basically, it's when you write something that probably rhymes and has a rhythm to it. Now, when it comes to writing songs, the verse is the section that contains the details of the song, the story, the emotions, the imagery, the events that you as a writer want to express. And songs will usually have multiple verses that have the same melody but with different lyrics. The verse's job is primarily to support the chorus or the refrain of the song. So you could say that the verse will tell the story of what the song is about, and they build up to the payoff of the chorus, which will sum up what the song is about or tell us what the message of the song is. Now, there's no right or wrong way to write a verse, but here are a few steps that you can follow to get you started. Number one, decide what your song is about. Come up with a theme or a general idea. So instead of being incredibly vague, like wanting to write a song about love or life's hardships, try brainstorming specific images and how they can develop into something with more direction or focus. So for example, instead of writing a song that's just about love, you could write a song about a guy escaping his comfort zone and then finding love because he left his comfort zone. I mean, this already sounds like a more interesting story to me than a generic song just about love. Number two, set the scene. Give details that will come up throughout the song. These details are going to connect things together and make the whole song more coherent and hopefully more engaging to the listener. So you could outline the character or the conflict really early in the song and then use this to set up the chorus or the later verses. Number three, use language to make things interesting. So use metaphors, similes, tell the story, draw upon people's senses and use imagery and descriptive language to set the scene. Use things that people know and can relate to. Essentially, you're trying to paint the picture of what is going on and you want to keep people interested, so you need to try and make things interesting. Number four, use rhyming schemes. Now, you're going to hear rhymes all the time in songs and you can get as clever as you like with how you structure your lyrics. But when you're new to writing songs, just start simple and practice. Use a very basic rhyming scheme, such as the A-B rhyming scheme, in which the first and the third lines are going to rhyme with each other, and the second and fourth lines will rhyme with each other. Essentially, rhymes will create patterns in your songs that will make the song more engaging for the listener. Now, I know I say this all the time, but it's because I really do stand by this. If you want to learn how to write songs, you have to write songs. So grab your pen and paper, grab your instrument and get writing. I give myself these little writing challenges all the time. So check them out, get involved if you want to. And if you do have things that you get stuck on, I have a ton of tutorials that will help you when you get stuck. And I'm trying really hard to get to 5,000 subscribers at the moment. So if you do like any of my videos at all, then please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next one.